are testing the gray water. I actually did it already, but the video wasn't good, so we're going to do this again. We have a bucket with water. We have a sink draining into there. This goes in. Water goes out. I zipped it up, and it is flowing really well considering it only drops like 3 or 4 inches. It's awesome. This is not a leak right here, just because I actually emptied it once already and I was careless. But it works. I'm so excited.
It's very exciting.
I stressed so much last night. I couldn't get to sleep. I got to sleep like at 2 a.m.
Well, we stopped working at like 12:30 or 1.
12:30 or 1, but
Yeah.
yet, yeah, I couldn't go to sleep because I kept thinking about water leaks.
Yeah.
First test is done.
And look at the rest of all this stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
It's pretty clean. You want to talk it through?
I already did.
Oh, you did? Okay. Yeah.
It is done.
Nice.
Next step is I'm going to fill the tank with a wee bit of water.
The main water tank.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. Go big. Figure out
Maybe a half gallon. Half gallon big,
enough
2
that we can
gallons.
pull out of the tank to test. I have to go through and triple check the connectors
Okay.
on everything. Oh my gosh.
One more big step forward.
Yes.
You did a great job.
Thank you. I'm pleased.